Everyone, in this video I'm going to solve a question of logarithms from a digital math content. This is a question of Feb March 2025 paper 1 non-calculator exam. Solve the equation log x plus 1 base 2 minus 4 times log 2 base x plus 1 equals to 3. Here both the terms have got different bases, so we need to first change the base of logarithm. Now we know this rule that log of a base b is equal to log of a to the base c over log of b to the base c. This is how we can change it to the different base c. Now, what should be this base c? It totally depends on what's needed in that particular question. Sometimes you need base 10, so you change both the numbers to the base 10. Sometimes you need natural log, that is e. Now in this question, we have log base 2 for the first term and log base x plus 1 for the second term. So same question can be solved in two different ways. We can change both the terms to base 2 or we can change both the terms to base x plus 1. For me, base 2 is more comfortable, so I would change both the terms to base 2. My first term is already in the base 2, so I keep it like that. And for my second term, I write it's going to be log of 2 base 2 over log of x plus 1 base 2. And my right hand side is 3. Now, if I see log of 2 base 2, the number 2 is raised to what power to give me the number 2? And that's 1. So my numerator is sorted out to 1. So I get my terms as log x plus 1 base 2 minus 4 times 1 over log x plus 1 base 2 equals to 3. Now if you observe this first term and in the second term the denominator are exactly the same. So if I can assume this to be some different variable y and then simplify further, let's see what we get. So we get y minus 4 1 over y equals to 3. Multiplying this y, we get y square minus 4 equals to 3y. So this is a quadratic. Y square minus 3y minus 4 equals to 0. This quadratic can easily be solved. So I need to find out two numbers which are multiplied to give me minus 4 and added to give me minus 3. Those are minus 4 and 1. So I get y minus 4, y plus 1 to be equal to 0. So my value y can be 4 or it can be minus 1. But these are my y values, not the x values. So how do I get the x values? I substitute it back into my original equation. So I have log x plus 1 base 2 to be equal to 4, or I get log x plus 1 base 2 to be equal to minus 1. Let's try to find out the value x. So I get this gives me x plus 1 equals to 2 power 4. Because it is base 2, to get rid of the log term, I do 2 power 4, which is 16, and x is equal to 16 minus 1, 15. So this is my one possible value of x. Another possible value of x I get when I do x plus 1 equals to 2 power minus 1. 2 power minus 1 is half. So my x value is half minus 1, that's minus half. So my other possible value is minus half. Once you get the values, we need to cross-check with the given equation whether any of this is not correct or not satisfying the given equation, because especially in the logarithm case you need to do this for sure. If any of the x values are giving negative log terms, in such cases we need to reject that x value. So over here, first check for 15. If I substitute 15 at the place of x, I get log 15 plus 1, that's 16 base 2 minus 4 times log 2, 16. What is the number 2 raised to give 16? And that's 4 minus 4 times. Now 16 and 2. What is the relationship between 16 and 2? So 16, the fourth root of 16 gives me 2. So this value is 1/4. And therefore I get 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. So I get my right hand side as 3. So my value 15 is correct. Now let's check for minus half. I substitute it again in the same equation. I get log minus half plus 1 minus 4 times log 2 minus half plus 1, and therefore I get, this is not a negative log, so it's still valid. Let's do it ahead. I get log of half base 2 minus 4 log of 2 base half. 2 is raised to what power to give half? The answer is minus 1. That's the reciprocal. Minus 4 times. Again, I have half to be raised to what power to give 2? If I have half, how do I get 2? So to get 2, I need to take a reciprocal again, which is nothing but minus 1. So I get here minus 1. And therefore, I get minus 1 plus 4, which is equal to 3. Again, it satisfies my right hand side. So x equals to minus half is also correct x value. So in this case, both the values of x can be your answers. I hope this is clear to you. If you have any questions, you can comment it below. Thank you for watching. Bye.